Expressing social media in a blog can be quite a challenge. Social media platforms want you to jump across multiple sites to envision the content as a whole. This can be time-consuming and just a pain for the viewer. We could choose to make custom links in our blog navigation bar to make it simpler for the viewer to get there. However, doing so causes our viewer to leave our site, and as we've discussed in the past, once they leave, they almost never hit the back button. What if we had a way to show our interests in one page and allow the viewer to see us as a collection of content rather than Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and YouTube users? Rebelmouse allows us to share that type of expression. Rebelmouse pages give you a place to land all of your social media in one space. You have the ability, with a menu system, to actually have things come across in different pages. You can have drafts and only publish when you're ready. Under designs, you can have a multitude of different designs. You can have splash screens. You can have black and white, different headerscapes. Even if you're into your own customized work, you can program your HTML and CSS to get exactly what you want. In addition, you have a statistics, where you can take a look at a period of time and look at the hits and other materials that you're getting for an analytics standpoint to see how they're working together. It'll give you a wide variety of statistics that can be exported into Microsoft Excel for further analysis. Also, you can have more than one site if you so wish. The real power of this is in the content sources. When you start and set up your feeds, you are allowed a total of 25 feeds. You can choose hashtags, or you can also choose accounts. You also have the ability to set them up to whether they go to tweets, drafts, ignoring retweets, or publish it even without photographs. You can choose how things go on the page by the rating system. Over on the side, if you put it 1 star, it goes to the bottom of the page. 2 stars is to the middle of the page. 3 stars promotes that content to the top of the page. So if you're pulling hashtags, you can actually set it up so that those hashtag pulls get pushed below your retweets and your stuff always stays to the top. You have Facebook, Instagram, Google+, LinkedIn, Flickr, YouTube, and even individual RSS feeds with Pinterest. All can be combined into a total of 25 feeds and pulled so that you can customize your social media to land in one web page just the way you would like it. When you take a look at the Ohio Broadcasting Cleveland Student Services portal, the Blog 17 site that we use in class, you will see that you have the broadcast journal is actually put together using Rebelmouse. I have pulled 25 different feeds that are put together. They auto-update. As soon as these sites publish something, we have things that are automatically added to my site, and they continue to go. So whenever you come to this site, you're looking at the latest collection of data from these sites at one particular time. If you look at the All Sports Cleveland site for the Ohio Center for Broadcasting Cleveland campus, and you come to the All Sports Cleveland Twitter sphere, you will see also that this puts together things using Rebelmouse, and it pulls from the NBA, sports writers, and things that are all things sports, and pulls that to the most recent data available. So whenever someone comes to our All Sports channel, they're getting feeds from a variety of sources put together by our students on what they want to broadcast in All Sports Cleveland. To sign up for Rebelmouse, you will go to rebelmouse.com and choose an email, Facebook, Twitter, or Google login to sign up and create your account. After you enter your content, it's going to take 10 or 15 minutes for the site to circle around and start and pull your content. When you're ready to set it up into your website, what you're going to do is come up here to the menu, and you're going to click and choose the embed code. You have different options to choose from. You can set it up as a front page, like I have on the Blog 17 site, or you can choose to put it in a sidebar if you wish. You have a choice of either setting a fixed width in pixels or flexible where as long as people scroll down, it'll keep going and going and going. When you're ready to get your code, you're going to use a HTML code just like you would from YouTube or anything else. You're going to click Generate, and you're going to have an HTML code that you are going to highlight. You are going to copy. At that point, you're going to go back over to your WordPress, and you're going to go to the Pages window. You're going to choose the name of the page that you wish to put it in there. You may choose this to be a page entitled Social Media or whatever else you would like it to be. You are in charge. You're going to go to the text window, and you're going to paste that HTML code into that window along with any other text that you would like to be visible. At that point, you're going to click Update, and you will be able to see your code after you save the page. Let's preview changes. So you can see here now, once I've set this up, I have the text that I wrote, and then now I have the HTML pulls from all the different hashtags and everything else in my feeds all into one page. You're going to go ahead and set up a Rebelmouse and embed this in your blog so that all of your content can land in one place. You do not have to paste all the content that you want. If you would rather keep your Facebook personal, you can do that. But you'll at least need to have a Twitter page. Your YouTube page might be appropriate. You're going to have to take a look at how you're using social media for professional purposes and embed this into a Rebelmouse page.